Good morning. Happy Halloween. I just woke up. Had a late night. Halloween. Was in DC last night. Didn't get home till after midnight. Kid attended a K-pop concert. So I didn't have to attend this time. But oh yeah, kind of tired and not much going out today. Yesterday I had a great almost 2 week run of over $100 yesterday. Half about 69, 68.98, and 8 orders, whole bunch of airplane cards. I saw that my little bell up there had like 11, and I'm like, ooh, some good sales. No, they were all like $3 sales. So let's start getting stuff pulled. U20. So I didn't do any listings. U30 or U29? I guess U29. It's a big stack. Jeez, what was I thinking? Oh, you know what? Like, these are all doubles and triples and quadruples and 20 plus cards. So, which one's this? So, yeah, nothing really. I actually have to blow this one up. I have so many of these listed. I need to get a closer look. And I don't know which one, so I have to. And I didn't mark them. That one I can tell. There's a little marking right there. That is on that one. And then I didn't sleeve. There's a mark down here. So when you have so many of them, and you don't put them in sleeves and mark them, at least I always go by the markings on the card. Yeah. Annie. So there's that one. We'll sleeve that puppy up. But they had a lot of airplane cards, all biplanes listed. What the hell is going on upstairs? Sounds like I heard elephants. So what have I got going on? Nothing much. Didn't do any listing yesterday. Left for DC. Got down there pretty early yesterday. Didn't do any listing the last 2 days. I think the day before I got some listing done, but didn't upload anything. So I got not a whole bunch. So I need to get. I think I only have like 20, 30 cards scanned and ready to list. That's what's on my desk upstairs. And once what is this with slurring? When I get that done, I gotta you could probably see it right there. There's a box of stuff that I'm gonna get those listed or scanned and listed. I gotta keep listing. I've nothing coming up. Gotta clean the house for Thanksgiving. Try to get the hoarder house in somewhat better shape. But that's a worry for another day. Yeah, all these biplanes sold to one person. That one, two. We're gonna. Hopefully, this is. Here's three. Right one. Yeah, it's upside down. Four. I mean, they only went for not much. $9 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What the hell? Huh. Why'd they go for so little? I don't know what happened here. That's cheap. What did I do? I wonder if I had them, if I set them on like 30% off or something. I don't know. That's not very much money. What were they selling for? Oh, that sucks. They got caught up in the German when I put stuff for 63% off. They got caught up because I had, I don't know, 1,000 or so, and I didn't catch them. Oh, well. Hey, it's how many cards? 6 cards. It cost me all in with all the transportation and everything, supplies and hotel rooms and gas. It cost me a penny and a half. So that cost me 9 cents. What is that? 9 cents to $9. That's like 100x, isn't it? You gotta figure that out. That's 10,000x. I should have done that as a thumbnail. How about that clickbait? I got 10,000x my money on these simple cards. Yeah, so 9 cents coming back at 9.74. 10,000% ROI. Only with postcards. That's funny. So yeah, I done effed up there. So how many is that? 6 cards. That's funny. 6. That was dumb. I'm not gonna change it. I've had that 63% off sale for it's what 3 weeks now, and that's the first cards or first airplane cards that's sold. So I'm not worried about that. Let them go. So if you want to get some cheap postcards, there you go. Got 2 full boxes. Well, three full boxes of airplane or train, choo-choo train cards. Had like 40, 50 of each, so each one's their own tab number. So Nancy got a couple. See, thank you, Nancy. Look at that. I have 597 of those. Never, ever, ever have to touch that listing. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick video, actually, maybe. This is Friday, so we got postcard shows this weekend, and I got a whatnot. I've got another one. Oh, 2 of them. Nice. I've not done any prep for that. Might have to open this one up. Not sure. I don't know how many of these ones I have. Oh, that one has a stamp on. My luck, I probably sold it. No, there it is. That's not it. There it is. That's it, right? Yeah, I think I have to blow that. I'll at least show the back. There's that one. These sell? I wonder if these sold yesterday, or did these just sell? Oh no, those just sold today. That's good. That one has a red stamp on the back. And there she be. Okay. This must have just sold. 220. Well, there we go. Let me go back and I want to look at the yeah, there's just sold. Okay, cool. Any more? No more. 10-minute video. So yeah, come check me out on Whatnot. I know I didn't do a buyer's appreciation. A buyer's appreciation? What are you thinking? A members video this week, besides the what sold. So I don't know if I have time to get that done. I will get one. I'll get one. Don't worry, I'll get one. Okay. Yep, just sold. Okay, everybody. Hope you have a good, happy Halloween. Go get lots of trick-or-treating done. And we'll see you Monday. Or tomorrow on the whatnot. So we'll see you. Love you. Bye.